In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up trust accounting IOLTA in Clio. By the end, you'll have a clear compliant trust account ready to track client funds separately from your firm's operating money, which is essential for meeting professional and regulatory requirements. First, head to Clio.com. Once you're logged into your firm's account, you'll be working from the main dashboard. If multiple users share access, make sure you have permission to manage bank accounts before you continue. From the dashboard, click Accounts. This is where Clio organizes your financial accounts and where your trust account will live once it's created. Next, click New Account. That opens a clean setup form. Don't worry, everything you enter here can be reviewed, but accuracy matters, so keep your banking details handy. When prompted for the account type, choose Trust Misal account. This tells Clio that the funds here must be handled under trust accounting rules kept separate from operating funds and reported accordingly. Now enter the account name, account number, transit or routing number, and the account holder. Use a clear naming convention like Client Trust Main so it's unmistakable across your team. Type the account and transit numbers exactly as issued by your bank. The account holder should reflect the legal owner of the account as it appears at the bank. Continue with the institution, domicile branch, and SWIFT code. The institution is your bank's official name. The domicile branch is the specific branch or location associated with the account, often identified by a branch number or address. The SWIFT code is an international identifier. If your bank provided one, enter it precisely. If your bank doesn't use SWIFT for domestic accounts, this field may not apply. Select the currency that matches the trust account at your bank. If your firm works in multiple currencies, choose the currency that aligns with this specific account to prevent exchange discrepancies later. Enter the opening balance. For a brand new IOLTA, this is typically 0. If you're migrating from another system, use the balance from your most recent bank statement as of your chosen start date. Remember, you're not moving money here, you're recording what already exists at the bank. Finally, click Create New Bank Account. Clio will save the details and list your trust account under Accounts. Take a moment to review the information for typos or mismatches. If something looks off, you can edit the account details right away. That's it. You've set up your trust accounting foundation in Clio. Keep following your jurisdiction's trust rules and you'll stay accurate, auditable, and compliant from day one.